Alright, today we're going to do a little unboxing video. I got this actually a little while ago. It's the Pulsar. It's a 12,000 watt generator, dual fuel. I got this on a pretty good deal from eBay. Came on a pallet, no problems, came pretty quick. But we're just going to open it up to see what's inside the box. So let's go ahead. Don't mind the mess in here. This is all my Christmas stuff that's usually put away, but the wife has it everywhere in my shop. So let's go. This thing is really heavy, like really heavy. As my son so quickly learned. Let's see, looks like just some paperwork right there. Let me pull this out. I'm not sure what this is. That's probably the wheel kit, I'm thinking. I'm just gonna try to do this pretty quick. I will make another video once I have my electrical all figured out. But yeah, looks like you have your gas line for propane, because it does gas and propane. It comes with its own regulator. Comes with some wheels. These are like a hard plastic. I'm not too sure about that. Some other accessories. Looks like, oh, okay, these are the stands for the front. Up with the wheels. And it looks like the handle. And then just the owner's manual. But anyway, this is a Pulsar, as you can see right here. 12,000 watt generator, dual fuel. So I got this to basically back up my home, or in case I need it for a welder or many other things. But let's go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so pretty thick cardboard. I just went ahead and cut all the sides. But let's see, looks like it's an 8-gallon regular gas tank. Takes unleaded fuel, of course. Looks pretty nice. There was no damage to the box at all coming from the carrier, so that's always a good thing. But let's pause the video. I'm gonna turn this thing around. Alright, so here's the front of it. Let me prop it up. This thing is super heavy, but as you can see, it comes with its own battery. Here's the fuel for the propane. You can just take a quick look. It's got the 50 amp, 30 amp. So the different plugs. It's got two regular 20 amp. They all have circuit breakers, looks like, an hour meter. We'll get into this a little bit more. I'm gonna get the wheels on and all that stuff. We'll see how difficult that is, and then I'll talk to you about it a little bit. Pause it. Alright, so we got the wheels on. Super easy. The handles, super easy. Literally a bolt that goes through with a nut. And then here, there's a pin that goes through and has a cotter pin on the other side. I mean, took like 5 minutes, honestly. And this thing is heavy. It's like 240 pounds, something like that. But you can see, like, moving around, piece of cake. So we got that done. I did realize, I believe the ad said it was like comes with everything, but I just realized it doesn't come with any oil. Comes with a funnel, little funnel, and it comes with this to measure, I don't know, the oil. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna have to pause the video, and then one thing we do need to do still is connect the cable, the battery cable. But Dylan, if you can zoom in right here and get a little better shot. One thing I did notice too, before I was purchasing this thing, I had some people that complained about this being here and in the way of the wheel. So when you plug it in, because usually they have like a 90. So right here, it's over here now, so when you plug it in, it's not going to interfere with the wheel. So I did notice that, which that's pretty cool. So let me probably go get some oil. We'll connect the battery, and we'll connect some propane to it. We'll fire it up. So we'll be back in a minute. Good. All right, well, we went and got some oil. Matter of fact, don't worry about panning it. I just went and picked up some 10W30 oil. I got 3 quarts. It actually took a little bit more than 1 quart, so I don't know. I just got the cheapest stuff they have. I'm like, this is for the. I know it has to break in and all that stuff, so I got the cheapest stuff they had. Anyways, so we got the handles on, we got the wheels on, we connected the battery, and I'm gonna connect the hose. I hope I have enough propane in this tank. I'm just gonna use an adjustable crescent wrench. Just go back to the oil real quick. Here's where you check the oil. This is actually the drain plug. Basically, you're gonna fill the oil until it hits the edge of the cap right here. Let me unscrew it. But this is where you check it. You drain it till it hits the edge right there, basically. Not sure if you saw that, but it is at the edge, and I don't want to get oil all over the place. So we got this. Let's connect this to the old propane tank. That's just hand tight. And then let's open it up. And then since this is the first start, we're probably gonna have to, let me locate the choke. Choke's over here on the side. I'll get another picture of that here in a second. So let's choke it all the way, and let's see what happens. So we'll go to start. Now the first start. That thing started up pretty quick. That was my first attempt. You guys saw everything. I'm not sure how well you can hear me. It is fairly loud, but it's not that bad. Man, that thing fired right up. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna grab something, plug it in, so we can just see if it's working. Pause the video real quick, so I'm going to grab something you can physically see, so let's pause it. Alright, so I just grabbed an electrical drill. I mean, you got to be able to see it work, right? So, I wasn't going to get my vacuum, but you can't really see that working. Let's plug it in. One of the regular outlets. See if it works. And it works. I don't know. For being what I got it for, I'm gonna let it run for a couple minutes. Just get the oil going through it. We'll pause the video right now, but I'll come back and give you guys my thoughts. Okay, I'm just gonna go through the setting it down process. It's been running for about 5 minutes. Running good, so let's shut it down. Alright, well, we're disconnected. It says normally I would shut it down here and then let it drain out, but it's probably not really a big deal. But that's really it for shutting. I mean, the thing ran perfect. It started up perfect. I mean, what else can you expect from this thing? We plugged it in. Anyways, to go back, I don't know if you can look down here, Nathan, or if you guys can see, but I was talking about this before, but this, they fixed the issue with the plug, which is pretty nice. Of course, you got the two, well, actually 4 plugs here, the 1430 here. So right here is the, you have an hour meter. It tells you your frequency and your voltage. And it was like at 61 for the frequency. So like 61 hertz. And then it was, of course it says 0 hours. And then it was pumping out 239 volts is what it was saying. So I'm sure there's a little bit of a break-in period, but overall, I mean, I actually got this on a deal. I paid $650 for it. So I just kept waiting and waiting and waiting and looking. My transaction with the eBay seller, I'll put the link in the description, but it was perfect. Like I said, this is just to back up my home. I live in California, where they're always turning off the electricity and stuff, so I'm gonna have an electrician come in. I will do another video on that, how I'm gonna set that up. Probably gonna backfeed it from my shop. I'm not really exactly sure, but for the meantime, if they cut my power off, I can always just plug into here. You gotta have a pretty stout cable. I have one right here, so this is 8 gauge. I may even get a 6, but we'll see. Anyways, this is kind of like just an unboxing of first startup of this Pulsar. I didn't really see too much on the 12,000 watt on YouTube, so it's just a quick video and hopefully help you guys out, but completely satisfied with my purchase from the beginning. Once I get everything else installed, we'll do another video and we'll see how things are going then. Anyways, peace.